Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a beautiful day outside. We are a bit rested from my sister-in-law's wedding, and we are heading out to meet with some friends and enjoy this place that we are going. Where are we going now?
It's a Fontaine de Vaucluse.
Okay, we're heading to a fountain, some fountain to maybe go in the water or something. So it's so hot, so we're going to try and enjoy that with our friends. And Mr. Handsome is around there. I just woke him up from his nap, so he's not too happy about that. I don't know why when Tyler is sleeping and you pick him up, he have to wake up, he can't go back to sleep. So we're about to head out and meet with our friends and enjoy this hot and wonderful day. So we'll catch you guys later.
You're too silly.
Still under pressure.
You guys, I'm smiling, but it's a serious situation. So we went somewhere to eat just now while we were waiting on our friends to meet us up so we can go to the fountain where we're heading. And we ate and we were in the car waiting on them to reach. They reached and we left on our way to the fountain. Then babe says, check to make sure that we have everything like we always do, only to realize that we don't have our credit cards. We keep it in a small pouch with all the credit cards, everything, and unfortunately, or should I say, my ID was in the little pouch that we keep everything in, and we keep all the credit cards in one place, and there was some cash in it. We were on our way and realized that there's no credit card, no money, nothing. We had to try to keep calm and turn back to go to the place where we were eating. While we were on our way, our friends that were driving in front of us called the place, and thank God someone found the credit cards and gave it in, and we got back the credit card with not even $1 missing. How lucky are we? How lucky are we to get it back with not even $1 missing?
Thank God.
So we are a bit relieved that we got it back with everything in it, and we are proceeding with our day. We're trying to catch up back with our friends to head to this place that we're going. So that's what's up. We got back our cards. We're still kind of soaking the fact that then we lost the cards and found them back. How lucky are we? But thank God, and God bless that person who found it and gave it in, because not everybody would have done that. So thank you, you're a wonderful person. That's our view. So that's our friends. The bonjour, Thomas and Cindy. And that's Cindy's sister right there. So we're at this fountain. Tyler, why are you crying? Tyler, what's wrong? He's been crying the entire trip seeing new people. He's laughing now, eh? Yeah. That's a pretty view from up here. Okay, we're going to the top.
On a le ventilateur. On a ramené ça. On a remarqué qu'il y avait un petit bocal avec des mégots. On s'est dit c'était peut-être.
C'était pour moi.
On s'est dit à quoi. Ah mais je me suis. J'aime bien avec Thomas et Cindy, c'est quand c'est pas comme Rémi. Rémi, on sait que quand on part, on sait pas à quelle heure on revient ou quand est-ce qu'on va s'arrêter.
Oui, t'inquiète pas, hein, je sais, hein. Ah, moi, t'en fais pas pour...
That's pretty, don't babe?
Ah bon? Bon, on a ramené une bouteille d'eau au cas où. Bon, on a. C'est pour Thomas, le meilleur grimper. Il a pris le grimper. Il a pris le coup, le grimper.
Man, how far we gonna walk to love?
Bon, là, on va jusqu'à la fontaine.
We're walking, we're walking. Mama, mama, dear mama, Tyler decided not to stay in his stroller. That's Cindy calling you. Wow. That should be a good photo shot, love. Yeah, you found a friend, Tyler. You're enjoying me carrying you. I'm gonna zap you. Zap you. Pretty down there. Honey, you need to also be careful of yourself. Wow, look at that.
I don't have Tyler. You can take him. Or you
Take it, take it.
The hell?
Wow. It's recording, right?
I don't know.
I think so.
Oh yes, it is.
Where is Thomas?
You see?
I need a picture right on that stone.
Where?
On this big stone.
Bon, elle est à sec là. It's I mean, no more water.
My phone is in the back of the
Okay,
stone.
that's fine. Say, honey, when it's winter, it's full of water.
Really?
Yeah. You see this? That's where the water goes up. C'est ça? Ça c'est la. Yes. Yeah, but don't go too far. You have the sun, or you live tight to me here. Tu crois qu'elle va le jeter en bas dans l'eau?
On va lui tremper les pieds au petit Jamaïcain.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle va lui faire?
Tyler!
Honey! Look at me.
Je l'ai pas. Ah. Fais un Photoshop, tu mets les deux photos. Tyler!
We're making a curb stop. Lori getting curb over there. Yes, Papa. And he's there calling Mama. Yes, love. You want curb? Yes. Yes. It's such a beautiful view here, though. Really, really beautiful.
On va se prendre avec tous les petits magasins.
Hein? Ouais, mais quand ils attendent de faire, ça peut être fait dans les
Nénéné. 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 You see it? Look. Yeah.
Au rond-point où on a tourné à gauche. On sentait là, on avait les fenêtres, on sentait la fumée.
Curb stop.
C'est bon? It's good?
Yes.
It's good?
We are right now taking a juice stop. It's hot and we're tired. Stella, where's yours? That's Stella's, oh, the orange juice. Can you throw Stella's orange juice in the glass, please? So we are back home. It's the end of another eventful day with all the drama that has happened, and aside from that we really had fun today out with our friends. So we are about to just relax a bit before bed. Tyler is already off to bed and sleeping because it's way past his bedtime, so he's off to bed. And I am so hungry and I'm so tired, so I'm about to kill some food and then relax a bit and head to bed. So hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.